Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm creating a vibrant neckpiece, inspired by the colorful world of Bangladeshi rickshaw art. I used leftover Mouldit clay to handcraft both the pendant and matching earrings, making this a zero-waste DIY project. The pendant features two birds painted in bold, traditional colors commonly seen on rickshaws, while the earrings showcase hand-painted lotus flowers, a recurring motif in South Asian folk design. I shaped and dried the pieces, then painted them using acrylics, and for a glossy, long-lasting finish, I simply used clear nail polish as a varnish. The necklace is completed with multicolored wooden beads that add to the festive look. This project is perfect for anyone who loves ethnic fashion, handmade jewelry, or turning scraps into something beautiful. So let's dive in and bring some Desi color into your accessories.